Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by loading the video and the subtitle file so adjustments apply immediately. Open VLC, press Ctrl+O to load the video, then add an external SRT via subtitle add file or by dragging it in. Once the subtitle appears, make sure it's active under subtitle subtrack. This step ensures you're working with the correct track and avoids confusion later, because changing position on the wrong track is a common mistake. You now change the actual position. Go to Tools Preferences, Ctrl+P, click Subtitles/OSD, then change vertical position by entering pixels or a percentage. Smaller values move subtitles up, larger values move them down. Once you enter a value, click Save and Play to check placement. If you prefer live tweaks, open Tools, Effects, and Filters, then the Video Effects tab. This helps when aspect ratios or external overlays require fine-tuning in real time. Finish by saving your preferences and testing on several videos. Save in Preferences and restart VLC so changes persist. If a subtitle still sits too low or overlaps UI, edit the SRT by adding blank lines or shifting timestamps to force a visual offset. Make sure hardware acceleration or video overlays aren't overriding positions. Disable hardware acceleration in input/codecs to test. Once done, your subtitles should remain stable across files. If not, revert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.